DJ Products stands out head and shoulders above all the other trailer movers out there. Our TrailerCaddy has suited us perfectly for our needs. The quality that is put into the machines is just outstanding. So in the past, working at dealerships, we've used forklifts with attachments, and even though it seems to be the go-to way, it honestly is not safe. We found DJ Products online. We were searching for a safe and economical trailer mover. I talked to a wonderful salesman on the phone. He helped me out through the whole process. Honest, reliable, and he pointed out all the features of the machines, the different levels, different models, and we found what was suitable for my company. It goes up and down inclines, has an automatic brake, and it handles everything beautifully. We love the TrailerCaddy. It's the right tool for the right job.